Referral Module. Healthcare providers can refer their patients to other medical practitioners for further treatment or any type of medical procedures or advice. They can be referred to both doctors who are already a part of 75 Health and not. Log into your account, select the preferred patient from your patients list and click on New Health Record and navigate to the Referral Module. If the module is unavailable, click on the Show More button and select Show Referral. To enter referral details, click on the Add icon, and if you prefer to refer patients to doctors that are already a part of your account, you can search for users by simply typing the doctor's name and select the preferred doctor from the drop-down. Once selected, the user's information will be auto-filled and the option Add Referral Notes will be available. Before saving and sending the referral information, if the doctor feels that this particular user could be referred to in a frequent basis, we provide our users with the option to store them as favorites or templates and use them in future visits. To save favorites, click on the Add as Favorite icon and click on the Save button. You can also use the Add Label button to assign details to labels from existing labels or create a new label. The same details can be stored to multiple labels and click on Save to successfully send the referral. If you prefer to refer patients to doctors that are not already a part of your account and could be a part of 75 Health or not, you can fill in the details such as name, email ID and phone number of the patient. A referral note can also be included here. Details can be saved as favorites and assigned to labels too. Click on Save to save the details and send the referral. Each time a referral is sent, the doctor to whom the patient is referred to will be able to log into their 75 Health account and view the patient information. If the doctor is not already a part of 75 Health, an account will be created and activation link will be shared with them to log in and view the patient information. Both the patient and doctors will receive email and text notifications when a referral is done. Click on the favorite icon here to view the favorite referral information stored and labels created. Click on ellipse icon to view the labels and select any label to view details already stored in them. Click on Add icon to easily import the information into the module. Before completing the health record, if the user wants to delete or edit any of the information already added, click on the already saved information and click on the trash icon to delete the details. To edit details, click on the already saved information, make the required changes and click on Save. You can navigate to a new health record and this data will be visible in the new EHR and in all future health records for this patient until marked as completed. To mark referrals as completed, click on the previously saved information to confirm if the referral has been completed or not for the patient. Once completed, the details will be moved to the past folder. You can view the past completed referral information by clicking on the ellipsis icon and selecting the past completed referral option from the drop-down. You can view the details of the completed referral so far. Clicking on the Add icon will also enable you to easily import the information into the module.